Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make teacup and books bookmark. So for the type of the yarn that we're using in this video, I'm going to use this 2.5mm hook, but I believe you can use a smaller hook because the yarn is quite thin. But in this video, I'm just going to use this 2.5mm hook and that will work as well. So we're going to start making the T with a magic ring. We're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to hook under the first one and hook into the second one. Then we're going to finish with a chain. And that is a magic ring. Next, we're going to make single crochet. And to make a single crochet, we're going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. So that is a single crochet. Since we need 6 single crochet for the first round, we're going to make 5 more. You can pull the yarn to close the ring. And we are going to continue into the second round. And for the second round, we're going to start with a single crochet. We're going to mark that first stitch. And on the next stitch, we're going to make increase. And for increase, we have to make 2 single crochet in one stitch. So we're going to make a single crochet first. Then still on the same stitch, we're going to make another one. And that is the pattern. We're going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Once you've reached the end of the round, you can cut the yarn. And we are going to make an invisible finish. And to make an invisible finish, we're going to insert the yarn into a needle. And we are going to insert the needle into the second stitch from the last stitch. Then we're gonna go back into the last stitch and insert it on the back loop of the stitch. And that is an invisible finish. You can weave in the end. Next, we're going to make the cup, and we're going to start with another magic ring. And for the first round, we're going to make 6 single crochet. Continue into the second round. We're going to make increase for the whole round. Continue into round 3. In this round, we're not going to use both of the loops, but we're only going to use the back loop only. And on the back loop, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. Continue into the next round. In this round, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch, but this time on both loops. For round 5, we're going to start with 3 single crochet first. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round. We're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of the round. And for the last round, which is round 6, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. Once you're done, you can cut the yarn, but we're gonna leave a long tail for sewing. And you can make another invisible finish. Next, we're gonna sew the T into the cup. And for the T, I'm going to insert the needle only on the front loop of the stitch. But for the cup, we're going to use both of the loops. Don't forget to insert the stuffing. Then once you're done, it's going to look like this. You can cut the yarn and weave in the end. Next, we're going to make the handle for the cup. We're going to start with a slip knot. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be 2 lines. We're going to hook under the first one and hook into the second one. And we can just pull the yarn on both sides. And that is a slip knot. We're going to continue with 6 chains. We're going to skip the first chain and start from the second chain. We're going to make a single crochet for each chain. So there are 5 single crochet in total. Once you're done, you can cut the yarn, but we're going to leave a long tail for sewing. Next, we're going to sew the handle into the cup. So next we're going to make the plate, and you can just follow the pattern that is on the screen right now to make the plate. Next we're going to make the book cover, and we are going to start with another slip knot. Then we're going to make 11 chains. We're going to skip the first chain, and starting from the second chain, we're going to make a single crochet for each chain. So there are 10 single crochet in total. Once you're done, we're going to turn, and without adding a chain, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. And we can just repeat the same step until we reach round 6. So this is what it's going to look like. You can cut the yarn and weave in the end. For the paper, we're going to follow a similar step as the book cover, but instead of 11 chains, we're going to start with 9 chains. Next, we're going to glue those two pieces together. And you are done with the book. Now we are going to make the bookmark string. So to make the string, we're going to start with a slip knot, but we're going to leave a long yarn for the tail, and we are going to use it for sewing later. And for the string, we're going to make chains, and you can make it as many as you want. If you want a longer string, then you can make more chains. Once you've reached the length that you want, you can make a slip stitch on the book. Also, if you feel like the string of chains is way too thin and you want to make something thicker, then you can just go back and make either a slip stitch or a single crochet on every chain. But if you feel like the chains are enough, then you can just cut the yarn and weave in the end. And for the other tail of the slip knot, we're going to use it to sew the plate and the cup together. If you are more comfortable to glue the cup into the plate, then you can totally do that. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!